Today menu is pork and stir fry papaya leaves and the water spinach, or we'll call it kangkung. So all the ingredients are there, pretty easy as you can see. All right, now I have the blender or seasoning paste in here. It's pretty spicy burning. So I have two woks in here, so I'm gonna stir fry the veggie, one for the veggie and one for the pork. So let's get started. I'm gonna do the pork first because I make it easy. Yeah, just put it in like that. Okay, I have two here, but I think I'm just gonna make one and I keep the other one. Okay, and just like that. I'm gonna fry it and we go for the next step. I'm drooling right now. Ooh, ooh. I just wanna lick my fingers now. Well, my kitchen is messy, but it's really worth it. Ooh, ooh. Riesling. That's ready. Okay, ladies, I'm done with my cooking. I have that. Okay, ladies, I'm done with my cooking. That's the stir fry kangkung, we call it, or spinach, water spinach. So my camera is a little bit not on place. I'm just trying to do some let's give it a little bite. Hot from the stove, really hot from the stove. know. Look at this big chunk. If the camera can see clear, I'm going to do the real video later on. I still have that. Look at that, beautifully presented on the table. All the seasonings, it's just absorbing deeply in. I promise you, this it's really spicy. So I have stir fried veggie at the side, and look at that. I'm drooling right now. Alright, thank you for watching from the beginning till the end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Love y'all.